soundtrack for car evolution timeline background. Open with gritty, vintage Vinicis and a larger Contrials. Warm pulsing pads and metallic chimes that echo the clatter of early combustion engines. Slow, deliberate, mechanical. Ramp up intensity with thundering bass lines, aggressive sequenced riffs, and revving synth engines that roar like mid-century muscle cars. Fast, raw, adrenaline-fueled. Explode into sleep.